Hello, wonderful English learners. Welcome to English Mastery Podcast. I'm Vey, and I'm here with James. Today is super special because we're talking to all our amazing beginners out there. James, do you ever struggle to talk about what you love doing in English? Maybe you want to share your passion for painting or describe your favorite sport, but the words just aren't there when you need them? This happens to everyone. Today, this podcast is your perfect starting point to confidently chat about your hobbies and interests in everyday English. We're not doing boring textbook lessons. No way! We're talking about real conversations, the kind you have when you meet new people and want to share what excites you. By the end of today, you'll have the essential vocabulary and phrases to talk about what truly makes you happy. Are you ready to expand your vocabulary and speak with ease about your favorite activities?
Oh, Vey, this is so exciting. You know what? Many English learners feel stuck when it comes to everyday conversations, especially about personal interests. It's tough to bridge that gap between textbook English and real-life chats about what you enjoy doing in your free time. But here's the solution. We're giving you simple, clear English vocabulary focused on hobbies and interests, designed specifically to make your first English conversations feel natural and fun. Let's start with the most important question. What do you like to do? Practice saying, "What do you like to do?" Perfect. Now here's how you answer. I like, followed by your hobby. For example, I like reading, or I like cooking, or I like playing soccer. Try it with your favorite activity. I like. Great. Another way to ask is, what are your hobbies? And you can answer, my hobby is, or my hobbies are. These simple phrases open so many conversations.
James, those basic phrases are perfect. Now, let's unlock specific vocabulary for popular hobbies, because this is where conversations get really interesting. For reading lovers, you can say, I enjoy reading books, or I love reading novels. If you like cooking, try, I enjoy cooking, or my favorite hobby is baking. For sports fans, I like playing basketball, or I enjoy watching football. Music lovers can say, I love listening to music, or I play the guitar. And for travelers, I enjoy traveling, or I like visiting new places. Here's your pronunciation practice. Repeat after me slowly. Enjoy. That means you like doing something. Favorite. That's your number one choice. Try this sentence. My favorite hobby is dancing. Feel how natural that sounds? Here's another useful phrase. In my free time, I. This is perfect for talking about hobbies. Practice. In my free time, I watch movies. Or, in my free time, I go swimming. These phrases work for any hobby you love.
Exactly, Vey. And let's practice asking about other people's interests, because conversation is two-way. Here are friendly questions you can ask. Do you have any hobbies? Or, what do you do for fun? Or, what do you enjoy doing? Try asking, what do you do for fun? Great! When someone tells you their hobby, you can respond with, that's interesting, or that sounds fun, or I like that too. Here's a complete conversation example. Listen and repeat. Person A, what are your hobbies? Person B, I like painting and gardening. What about you? Person A, I enjoy reading and playing tennis. See how easy that is? Now here's your homework. Choose 3 hobbies you enjoy. Practice saying, I like, I enjoy, and my favorite hobby is with each one. Then practice asking someone, what do you like to do? Don't worry about being perfect. Just practice speaking. Remember, the goal is communication, not perfection.
James, that's absolutely perfect. And here's something amazing. When you can talk about your hobbies in English, you immediately connect with people from around the world who share your interests. Imagine effortlessly discussing your love for cooking with someone from another country, or explaining your passion for photography to a new friend. These conversations create real friendships and make learning English so much more meaningful and enjoyable. Here's your action plan. After this podcast, try describing one of your hobbies in English to yourself in the mirror, or record yourself saying, "My name is your name and I enjoy." Don't be shy. This practice builds confidence. Next week, if you meet someone new, try asking, "What do you like to do for fun?" You'll be surprised how much people love talking about their interests. Remember, every conversation is practice, and every practice makes you better. Your English journey should be about sharing what makes you happy, not just memorizing grammar rules. You're doing fantastic, and we believe in you completely.
That's beautiful, Vey. Remember, everyone, your hobbies and interests are what make you unique and interesting. Now you have the English words to share that uniqueness with the world. Keep practicing these phrases, keep talking about what you love, and keep building those connections. Learning English should be fun, just like your favorite hobbies. We'll see you next time on English Mastery Podcast with more practical, everyday English.